Tip 1. This is a breakfast that is both visually appealing and healthy. A simple vegetable omelette. Light, colorful, and provides energy to start the day. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Then beat until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Lightly coat with butter or oil to prevent sticking. Pour the eggs into the skillet and tilt it to spread the mixture into an even, thin layer. Shredded carrots, about 50 grams. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Sprinkle shredded carrots on top. Next, sprinkle with chopped scallions to add aroma to the dish. Now for the fun part. Gently roll the eggs from one end to the other with a spatula while they are still slightly soft. Keep the heat low so the eggs don't dry out. After rolling, cook for another minute until the eggs are evenly golden brown. Let cool slightly, then cut into small slices. Each slice reveals swirls of golden color, intertwined with the colors of the vegetables inside, making it visually appealing, nutritious, and full of flavor. This dish is delicious on its own or served with bread and a few cherry tomatoes. You'll get protein, fiber, and vitamins in a quick, balanced meal, bright, wholesome, and full of joy, just like a new morning. Tip 2. Egg toast, air fryer. Place a sheet of parchment paper at the bottom of the air fryer. Start with a slice of sandwich bread, placed flat. Use the back of a spoon to gently press down on the center of the slice, creating a small indentation where the magic will happen. Crack an egg into the indentation. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper on top. Next, sprinkle grated cheese on top. Place the bread gently into the air fryer tray. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the bread on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for about 5 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and crispy, and the egg is cooked to your liking. When you take it out of the oven, the aroma alone will make you smile. The rich aroma of bread, melted cheese, and the familiar warmth of a homemade breakfast. The yolk remains soft, gently seeping into the bread for that perfect first bite. This dish is simple, cheerful, and extremely satisfying. Pair it with a cup of tea or coffee for a complete breakfast that feels very special without much effort. Tip 3. Separate the egg. First, prepare a bowl and a strainer. Tap the egg lightly on the table, then crack it open, and pour the egg into the sieve placed over the bowl. The runny egg white will gradually flow into the bowl below, while the thicker yolk is retained on the strainer, remaining whole and unbroken. In just a few seconds, the egg is neatly separated without needing to use your hands or shake the egg. Once all the egg white has flowed into the bowl, transfer the yolk to another plate. Tip 5. Pan-fried cheese and egg sandwich. First, prepare a slice of sandwich bread, place it on a cutting board, and cut it in half neatly. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Use a fork to beat them well until they are completely blended and have a uniform yellow color. Next, take thin slices of cheese and cut them in half so that they are easier to arrange in the bread and melt faster. Turn on the stove to low heat, place a pan on the stove, add a knob of butter, and melt it completely until it releases a light, fragrant aroma. Then, pour all the beaten eggs into the pan and quickly spread them evenly across the surface. While the eggs are still wet, place both halves of the sandwich bread in the pan, then gently flip the bread so both sides are coated with eggs, making the bread softer and richer. Then gently flip the bread so both sides are coated with eggs, making the bread softer and richer. When the eggs are just cooked through, flip the remaining side and arrange the bread neatly and attractively. On one half of the bread, add a sufficient amount of tomato sauce, and on the other half, place 2 slices of cheese on top. Press the 2 halves of the bread together, pressing gently so that the layers stick together. Continue to keep the pan on low heat so that the cheese begins to soften and melt. At this point, the bread is a beautiful golden color, the eggs are soft and smooth, and the melted cheese blends with the slight sourness of the tomato sauce, creating a simple but very appealing dish. Wow, it's wonderful! Just looking at it makes it look delicious and irresistible. So, with just a few familiar ingredients and a little skill, you have 4 tips and delicious egg dishes that are simple, quick, and still nutritious. Which tip or dish do you like best? Or do you have any other egg cooking secrets to share? Leave a comment below. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel and spread these simple yet fun cooking tips every day.